Fifth generation 4Runner owners, look what just came out. This is a Grille replacement for your 4Runner from Morimoto that includes 4 off-road pod lights from Morimoto, the Morimoto 2-banger. As you can see right now, we have a backlight. Now this is super exciting. Let me just dive in a little bit here. As you can see, there's 4 of them, and this is already pre-kitted, so you don't have to go and pick and choose what off-road pod light you want or what's gonna be best for the light output. The best for the light output to give you the best usable light when you're driving down the road, off-road at nighttime would be this right here as it sits. These 2 middle ones are the combo beam pattern. The 2-bangers have 4 different beam patterns. They're actually using 2 here. We got combos in the center, and then we got wides right here and here. That's gonna provide a beautiful looking output. Here's what a wall shot looks like just in our studio. We're gonna also take this baby off-road at one point and show you guys exactly what this looks like when you're driving down the trails. As you can see, the backlight is extremely bright, and that's really cool unless you're driving around at nighttime and you have the oncoming traffic. It's actually probably too bright for that oncoming traffic. Morimoto thought ahead, and they made it a dimmable backlight. So here's full brightness mode, and then when you dim it, it looks like this. Now, when you're driving down the road, you're not gonna blind that oncoming driver at nighttime, and you can still have these on and still impress everybody. Especially if you had the Morimoto XBG Evo headlights that we showed you guys. We went in depth, we did a shootout, we showed you exactly what they look like compared to the old XBs, show you how much better they are than any other product on the market. And the best part is the DRLs can match your backlight 2-bangers in your Grille. Since these aren't just style points, but they're actually for function, when you turn them on, you're gonna actually notice that it turns yellow. They designed these pod lights in that color to give you the best usable light output. They're just like any aftermarket product. We love when you get the choice to install it how you'd like. And the best part is that it does come with that relay harness that we've seen a million times with the off-road pod lights from Morimoto. It's got the relay, it's got a positive and negative battery terminal connection, it's got the 2 Deutsch connectors that connect to 2 splitters to then power this on. The whole thing's plug and play. This switch is included, however, you don't need to use it. If you do use this, you're gonna have to run through your firewall and find a place to put it inside of the cab of your 4Runner. If you don't want to use this, there's another wire included that will allow you to connect it to upfitter switches if you have them. Now, as you can see, I have not ran this through the cab of the vehicle or the firewall yet, and that's because we've got a switch panel on order for this guy. This guy works at Headlight Revolution, and we want to have this connected to a switch panel so that way we can run a whole bunch of aftermarket lights on here as well. Everything that you need to make this work on your vehicle, no matter what trim you have, is included in the kit. So let's say you had the emblem, the Toyota emblem, you can actually remove that entire panel and then install this one that is included in the kit. It's gonna be sleek, you won't have this indentation or the dimple in the front, and that is where it's at. All of the wiring is included, the pods are included. You don't have to do any guesswork, it's all one kit. Go to headlightrevolution.com right now, get your set with the very first of its kind 2-banger backlit pods.